homemade video here testing the GoPro 8 with various mic input options. This is test number 1. This is a standard mic into the Media Pro adapter for the GoPro 8. Okay, upped our game here a little bit and we've switched to a powered mic. This mic has a longer cord, and my hope is it'll allow me to move around the garage while I'm doing some that'll be an outtake. No, it won't, I'll keep it in. So that I can move around in the garage and show different things that I'm doing. Okay, so the whole idea behind a powered mic is that my voice level should stay the same whether I'm this close to the camera, that's gotta look terrible, or let's step back as far as the extension cable to the mic will go. A little bit more without yanking everything down. Okay. Or this far from the camera. Can you see me now? Let's see how this works out. Okay, I think this is the last test that I'm going to run. This is with the GoPro 8 and the Media Mod wrapped around it, using the mic built into the Media Mod. Now, one of the very interesting things about all of this is oh dear, I turned off the preview here, but if you go through the menu system of the GoPro and look at your choices, you can get what's called a contextual setting for the audio input. When you have the Media Mod with a mic plugged into the back, you have an audio input selection that says standard mic plus, powered mic plus. The powered mic is one that has a battery that boosts the reception and I think allows you to work with a longer length of cable lead. The plus settings for both of those actually amplify the mic input or the gain. Now, I had some experience with that a while back because I was operating with a remote mic on the plus setting, and it totally overwhelmed the sound system on the GoPro. So that's a little background here, because now in the menu I don't have a setting for audio input. It's assumed when it's not plugged in, I suppose. It's kind of interesting. The software engineers put this in to the camera. It's supposed that if you are using the external mic, you're not going to change any of the outputs. And it also means, I think, that you can't on the fly change to an external mic. Somebody out there that knows better can comment on that for me. But I'm going to go away here because I'm interested. And I've used the GoPro 8 without an external mic for a while, but I want to go away in this side of the garage and see what the sound quality is like, because a lot of the things I do involve moving around in this little space here I call the man cave, the part of the house that Mrs. Cooper lets me call, at least temporarily, my own. So that's a test on that setup. That is the GoPro with the Media Mod and the Media Mod shotgun mic installed. All right, let's try it this way. This is my second attempt. The age-old question: does the previous generation's audio dongle, love that word, dongle, for the GoPro work with the new GoPro 8? This is very important, ladies and gentlemen. You be the judge. Okay, this is almost comical because it turns out that the previous generation dongle does work with the GoPro 8. Somewhere along the line, they updated the software, the firmware, or the Cosmos, and made this happen. So now the previous attempt was with a non-powered standard audio mic in, 3.5 millimeter audio mic. So now I'm trying it with a powered mic, and I'm going to step all the way across the garage here if I can do so without some sort of a huge catastrophe developing. There's all sorts of things to trip and fall over and knock over in here. So I'm standing back here. Hopefully this sound will carry forward. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a rather startling discovery. All right, now let me come forward again. Why would we want to miss the intimacy of further conversation and talk, and put myself front and center and say, which of all of these formats do you prefer? I have a favorite. We'll find out.